Ito sa analytics. Ayan. So, may nakalagay dito, your weekly recap is here. Kailangan na visit din natin yung YT Studio natin. And then, i-check natin ito sa analytics. Ayan. So, may nakalagay dito, your weekly recap is here. So, i-click natin yan. Here's what you got up to last week. So, ayan. Check natin. People turn into you. Ayan. And you got 40 new subscriber. Ayan. Wow. Good news. Here's how people found you. Browse features. YouTube search. Channel pages. Ano pa? This is what they watch. So, ito yung mga latest na upload na madalas nilang pinapanood. Weekly recap ito ha. Nakalagay sa taas. February 12 to February 18. People didn't just watch. They reach out. Ayan. So, maraming comments at saka likes tayong nare-receive.
Day. Ako ba Day?
Ako na.
Bakit kung yun na
So, ito, how many comments did your videos get last week? Ayan. Your most commented videos was Larong Dama. Ayan. So, chinek ko lang yung malaki. How many comments? Hindi lang ako sure. Pero, kasi nasa 40 siya. Hindi na pala pwedeng napalitan. Ayan o. So, 43. So, okay lang yan. Check back next week. So, done. Yan yung weekly recap natin sa ating YouTube channel. Ayan. So, meron tayong, ayan, sa loob ng 48 hours, real time. Mas maraming nanood doon sa latest upload ko. Diba? Sa views, sa top content naman natin, itong nilagang adobong manok. Ito yung top content natin for this week. So, good luck. So, more content sa atin this coming week again. So, nag-read sila. Balikan natin ha. February 18. So, start February 19, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, 6 days. So, February 18, so mag-start tayo sa February 19. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, February 19 to 24, keep it up natin yung mga post natin. So, the more content, mas maganda. Ayan. So, ganun guys. So, i-check lang po natin yung analytics natin. Ayan ha. Sa YT Studio po yan. Ayan. Check nyo dito sa baba. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Pwede nyong kalikutin ito, no? Ayan. Dashboard. Ayan. Content. Ayan. So, analytics. Ayan. So, okay. So, comments. Dito rin makikita. So, make sure na kahit paano nakakapag reply back tayo sa mga nagko-comment sa atin, sa mga nag-subscribe sa atin. Okay? So, check natin itong number 2. Hindi ko alam po kung meron dyan. So, itong 2, publish, held for review, response status. So, pwede natin, palitan ito. I responded. Okay? Search for. Ayan. So, marami pa dito, no? Na filters. Ayan. So, apply lang po natin. Siguro. Okay lang naman yan. And then, yung earn. So, ito yung become a YouTube partner. Ayan. Start your earning journey. So, kung eligible ka ba doon sa nire-required ni YouTube, ano? So, kung ma-meet mo na yung subscriber at saka yung eligibility, kung ilang hours ang nire-required niya. Okay? So, kapag napuno mo na itong requirements, so may nakalagay dito, learn about more applying. Ayan. So, pinitin mo lang yan. Okay? So, hindi pa tayo mag-a-apply ngayon, ano? Basahin lang natin para alam natin. YouTube Partner Program Overview and Eligibility. Ito ang nakalagay. We're expanding the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, to more creators with earlier access to funding and shopping features. The expanded YouTube Partner Program is available to eligible creators in these countries or regions. If you're one of these countries or region, check out the article to learn more about the changes to YPP. If you're not in one of the available countries or regions, there are no changes to the YouTube Partner Program for you. Check your eligibility for the expanded YouTube Partner Program. If you're not eligible yet, select Get Notified. In the Earn. Ayan yung Earn kanina. Area of YouTube Studio. We'll send you an email once we've ruled the expanded YPP program to you and you've reached the eligibility thresholds. Okay? So, napaka-importante na nagbabasa-basa rin tayo, ano. Ayan. So, kung meron pa kayong time, pwede nyo itong silipin. Basahin yung mga YouTube Partner Program. Okay, so medyo mahaba ito, ano? Kasi ako malayo pa. Ayan, so, sa Chrome ito, i-direct ka niya sa Chrome kapag nasa Google kayo ni YT Studio. So, i-direct kayo sa Chrome. Kapag gusto mong i-check kung eligible ka na doon sa requirements. So, ayan lang guys. So, sa mga gusto pang matuto, ayan. So, don't forget na i-subscribe po tayo sa ating YouTube channel para sa mga more content upload po natin.